So yesterday, physicists in Geneva, Switzerland stumbled upon what might be the biggest physics discovery in the past 25 years. When we look at different forces in nature, we notice that they all are broken down into constituent particles. For example, electromagnetism is made out of things called photons, and the strong nuclear force is made out of things called gluons. But the weird thing is, electromagnetism and nuclear forces don't necessarily require particles with mass to work. What the Higgs boson does is explain why these particles have mass. So you can think about it, the Higgs field, as this giant, vast, jello-y substance that exists on the quantum realm. And as particles move through it, even though they don't have mass, they are accreting like glob around them. That causes them to have mass. So the Higgs boson walks into a church, and the pastor says, "But we don't allow Higgs bosons in here. You call yourself the God particle? That's sacrilegious." Higgs boson looks up at the pastor and says, "Oh, really? If you didn't allow Higgs bosons, how would you have mass?" So even though we don't really know how to use it, the Higgs field can be incredible. We can override special relativity. We can actually travel to the past, because the problems with traveling faster than the speed of light have been mass problems. Now we don't have those anymore. We can literally create weapons of mass destruction and mass creation once we know how to operate the Higgs field. So even though we don't know how to use it and we barely have an idea of what it is, the Higgs field has been here for about 50 years in the making, and we finally have discovered it actually exists. I'll see you all later.